What if you could shape the future of your urban nature in 3D with your own data, powered by artificial intelligence? ECOTEKA is the digital twin of your green infrastructure, an open-source application designed with and for urban green space departments. ECOTEKA's AI detects public and private trees from satellite imagery or from LiDAR. You can import your existing inventories. Every tree and green space is documented, monitored, and enhanced, all in one intuitive, powerful, and fully customizable tool. ECOTEKA connects to your GIS and open data sources. Monitor your field operations in real time, your differentiated management plans, budgets, and intervention schedules. Rely on robust indicators, biodiversity, ecosystem services, and climate projections. Explore personalized recommendations for your city, instantly summarized in a complete report. ECOTEKA runs on a dedicated server. Once installed, ECOTEKA is yours, and your data remains fully under your control. Thanks to its open-source foundation, you contribute to a shared solution and benefit from continuous improvement. ECOTEKA is backed by the Alliance for Urban Renaturation, with the diagnostic standards of the French Forestry Society, the Arbre en Ville calculation methods, and the ultra-complete Floroscope database by Plant and Cité. Our team trains and supports you. Within a few weeks, you're fully autonomous. With ECOTEKA, you save time, highlight your actions, and align your projects with long-term climate and biodiversity goals. ECOTEKA, the digital reference for greener, more vibrant cities. Join the movement.